In part A, we need to express root 3 plus root 12 in the form a root 3, where a is an integer. Well, since 12 can be written as 4 multiplied by 3, the square root of 12 can be written as the square root of 4 multiplied by 3. Well, now using our third laws, we can simplify this further. The square root of 4 multiplied by 3 can be written as the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 3. And so we end up with root 3 plus root 4 multiplied by root 3. We can simplify root 4 because we know that the square root of 4 is equal to 2. And so we're left with root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. And so we've found that root 3 plus root 12 is equal to 3 root 3. And so we've now written this in the form a root 3, where a is an integer equal to 3. Now in part B, we need to express 1 over root 3 all to the power of 7 in the form root b over c, where b and c are integers. Well, we can say that 1 over root 3 all to the power of 7 is equal to 1 to the power of 7 over root 3 to the power of 7. Well, before we continue, let's simplify root 3 to the power of 7. Well, now root 3 to the power of 7 can be written as root 3 to the power of 6 multiplied by root 3 to the power of 1. Now root 3 can be written as 3 to the power of a half, and so root 3 all to the power of 6 can be written as 3 to the power of a half all to the power of 6. And so we're left with 3 to the power of half all to the power of 6 multiplied by root 3 to the power of 1. Well, now 3 to the power of half all to the power of 6 can be simplified and can be written as 3 to the power of 3, and root 3 to the power of 1 is just equal to root 3. So we're left with 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by root 3. Now since 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27, we can say that this is equal to 27 root 3. And so we've found that root 3 to the power of 7 is equal to 27 root 3. Well, now we can say that 1 to the power of 7 over root 3 to the power of 7 can be written as 1 over 27 root 3, because we know that 1 to the power of 7 is equal to 1, and root 3 to the power of 7 is equal to root 3. But we need to give our answer in the form root b over c, which means the denominator cannot be a third. Now to get rid of the root 3 in the denominator, we need to rationalise this fraction, and we can do this by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 3. So we have 1 multiplied by root 3, which is equal to root 3. Then we have 27 root 3 multiplied by root 3. Now since root 3 multiplied by root 3 is equal to 3, we can say that 27 root 3 multiplied by root 3 is equal to 27 multiplied by 3. We can simplify this because we know that 27 multiplied by 3 is equal to 81. And so we're left with an answer of root 3 over 81. And so we've now found that 1 over root 3 all to the power of 7, written in the form root b over c, is equal to root 3 over 81, where b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 81. Now this question is worth 5 marks. Now in part A, we get 1 mark for simplifying root 12 and for saying that root 12 is equivalent to 2 root 3. And we get the second mark for getting a final answer of 3 root 3. Now in part B, we get the first mark for simplifying root 3 all to the power of 7, and for saying that root 3 to the power of 7 is equal to 27 root 3. Now we get the second mark for having 1 over 27 root 3, and for rationalising the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 3. And we get the third mark in part B for simplifying and for getting the correct answer of root 3 over 81. And so we've now achieved the full 5 marks needed in this question.